Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Educational Information। लास्ट वीडियो में हमने बायो क्लास 9th फंडामेंटल यूनिट ऑफ लाइफ के एमसीक्यूज डिस्कस किए थे। अगर आपने वो वीडियो देख लिया है तो बहुत अच्छी बात है, और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारा लास्ट वीडियो नहीं देखा है तो उसकी लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगी। आगे भी हमारे साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। So let's move towards our topic, matter in our surrounding. There are 10 questions and for each question you have 10 seconds to answer. So let's begin sequence of questions. First question is, which one of the following sets of phenomena would increase on raising temperature? First, diffusion, evaporation, compression of gases. Second, evaporation, compression of gases, solubility. Third, evaporation, diffusion, expansion of gases. Fourth, evaporation, solubility, diffusion, compression of gases. And the correct option is third, evaporation, diffusion, expansion of gases. All the three phenomena would increase upon increasing the temperature. The gas can be liquefied under specific condition of temperature and pressure. Identify the correct set of conditions. First, low temperature, low pressure. Second, high temperature, low pressure. Third, low temperature, high pressure. And fourth, high temperature, high pressure. And the correct option is 3. Low temperature, high pressure. Both low temperature and high pressure bring the gas molecule closer and help in its liquefaction. Next question. The property to flow is unique to fluids. Which one of the following statement is correct? First, only gases behave like fluids. Second, gases and solid both behave like fluids. Third, gases and liquids behave like fluid. Fourth, only liquids are fluids. And the correct option is 3. The gases as well as liquid can behave as fluid. There is hardly any fluidity in solids as the particles are very closely packed. During summer, water kept in an earthen pot becomes cool because of the phenomena of first, diffusion, second, transpiration, third, osmosis, and fourth, evaporation. And the correct option is 4. Evaporation. The evaporation of a liquid is always accompanied by the lowering of temperature and results in cooling. Subscribe our channel for more videos. A few substances are arranged in the increasing order of forces of attraction between their particles. Which one of the following represent a correct arrangement? First, water, air, wind. Second, air, sugar, oil. Third, oxygen, water, sugar. Fourth, salt, juice, air. And the correct answer is oxygen, water, and sugar. On converting 25 degrees Celsius, 38 degrees Celsius, and 66 degrees Celsius to Kelvin scale, the correct sequence of temperature will be: first, 298 Kelvin, 311 Kelvin, and 339 Kelvin. Second, 298 Kelvin, 300 Kelvin, and 338 Kelvin. Third, 273 Kelvin, 278 Kelvin, and 543 Kelvin. Fourth, 298 Kelvin, 310 Kelvin, and 338 Kelvin. And the correct option is first, 298 Kelvin, 311 Kelvin, and 339 Kelvin. It is the correct sequence of temperature obtained by adding 273 Kelvin to the given temperature. Choose the correct statement from the following. First, conversion of solid into vapors without passing through the liquid state is called vaporization. Second, conversion of vapors into solid without passing through the liquid state is called sublimation. Third, conversion of vapors into solid without passing through the liquid state is called freezing. Fourth, conversion of solid into liquid is called sublimation. And the correct answer is third. Conversion of vapors into solid without passing through the liquid state is called freezing. The boiling point of diethyl ether, acetone, and N-butyl alcohol are 35 degrees Celsius, 56 degrees Celsius, and 118 degrees Celsius respectively. Which one of the following correct represent their boiling point in Kelvin scale? First, 306 Kelvin, 329 Kelvin, 391 Kelvin. Second, 308 Kelvin, 329 Kelvin, 392 Kelvin. Third, 308 Kelvin, 329 Kelvin, 391 Kelvin. Fourth, 329 Kelvin, 392 Kelvin, and 308 Kelvin. And the correct option is third, 308 Kelvin, 329 Kelvin, and 391 Kelvin is the correct representation of the boiling points and is obtained by adding 273 Kelvin to the given temperature. Which condition out of the following will increase the evaporation of water? First, increase in temperature of water. Second, decrease in temperature of water. Third, less exposed surface area of water. Fourth, adding common salt to water. And the correct option is first, increase in temperature of water. always help in evaporation of a liquid. Under which of the following condition the distance between the molecules of hydrogen gas would increase? A. Increased pressure on hydrogen contained in a closed container. B. Some hydrogen gas leaking out of the container. C. Increasing the volume of the container of hydrogen gas. D. Adding more hydrogen gas of the container without increasing the volume of the container. And the correct option is third. The option B and C, both these conditions would increase the distance in the molecules of hydrogen. Thanks for watching. कमेंट सेक्शन में हमें ज़रूर बताएं कि नेक्स्ट वीडियो आप किस टॉपिक पर देखना चाहते हैं।